West Nation.
Sizzle, keep me going.
Nothing stays forever, even this life we no go live on forever. Nothing stays forever, even this life we no go live on forever. If you dey worry, don't worry too much. If you dey cry, don't cry too much. Yeah, happy again. We cry today, we'll be happy again. We go smile again, happy again.
Hello lovely people of Tamale, once again my name is Francois Jan. I want to welcome you to the best social media entertainment talk show we have here in Northern Ghana. Trust me, the about showbiz, arts, culture, lifestyle, this is the right place to be. So then can you RAS TV video look come try as much as possible, can share the subscribe button, man, smash it, hit the notification bell, such a come drop a video, can you never so we down fan. Yes, so we have a whole new session and that is Celebrity Crib. Program now young part you and Karimbo West happens to be the first artist on this session, so it tells you that Tamila Bansoden Simpson maybe one or two kana, so that later the other ones will follow. Not to say that the other artists are not, but we approach at the right time and we are supposed to give him that opportunity for the first time. Yes, so Karimbo West is in the building. Stick and stay, I'll be right back. This name is not going to be new. Karimbo West, he has been in the industry for some time, and then just recently, just months back, we dropped a song, Shell Wave, and I love this song so much, and then I personally have promoted it. But there's a need for me to get closer to him. Katinyenya, aside Yilama Bahama, is there anything he has for the fans? What are we supposed to learn about him? West, Charlie, what's up?
Yo, Ras Raja, respect. The last time in that ball me young, and that down la candle, killing Sian Kanaka late. But the Kona Wakachi Sahana Bian. Yeah. Ilea,
your name Karimbo West. Is it a fusion of West? Where did you pick it from?
Well, Karimbo West, man. Real name is Abdul Karim. So, tenda yisana like try to Eurocat jam the carbonate of nicknames. Mostly like I'm iron. Nollywood stars, man. Bishaw. So, there you make like guys who won't Rambo, Anazania. So, through Rambo, man, Karimbo. Karimbo my piano, but like in order for it to look nice, man, cause I'm West man, yeah. So don't go connection by Karimbo West man, but
West. Let's see, Sasha and piano industry map because Manoko and Bank Karimbo West. I think I heard Crazy Gaga with Wish Child or so.
Yeah.
Yes, that was the song I heard. So I was like, is there somebody called Karimbo West? But tell me, we need Southern culture.
Okay, let's start the inspiration. Man, the start way back 2014. Yeah, so with 2014, man, that dropped a couple of tracks, but then, man, like it was just indoor thing, like just small boy trying to do his things. But so my first record was a mixtape of Yemi Alade, Johnny. So can that Chamine and Boys, my boy, so Lil Z. Yeah, so can you know that studio. That was my first time can studio. Lil Z doesn't work studio. So got to mash up la mixtape, man. So then first later, then I came out with Mamang tracks. But then my support my calendar resources, man. And then be up on that guys, so can that could decide no. Chanda yigila can focus on certain things. Yeah. And then at a point in that billion by young to la yigila. That one no can go to yigila. So I took the yigila balawish. I don't know the journey. Hell I want like and you make my mind I could do act to you. So and I could be the yellow one time. I'm going to like shell. Vibes they can. My no ni pestilio. So then the nil lamna das ginger my head. So can lamna in that summer that's 2018. So la yilmara jama. Inye wango so kan wanyele ayi bela wulon pole zomnati wale. Ayi bela wulun lule zomnati wale dinyela sudo wa nyamango kadichana kamna toni bela kalabi anyanga mulalariga kodomika wanko na nyele anazani. So that was the first track Jama Kambasek. So don't kunye shambala. Yeah.
Okay. The moment this time around you've changed a different tangent because I drop a wave and it's more like Afrobeat. And your new tune now is Loyal Afrobeat. Why that lane, man?
Amale, this time around, like the tune to look up to the commercial aspect of music. I mean, literally, recently, Afrobeat has been the top-notch thing when it comes to African music. heading on your trend, man. So don't call like I could want if you want to sell fast with your music, I advise you. I think you should just adopt with the Afrobeat vibe. So that's why I can kind of with the Afrobeat vibes, man. Yeah, I just feel it, and I feel like that's the current trend now. Yeah.
You see, you see, I'm pure industry man, because you just drop your songs, but this is not to feel like Shama, like, I don't know, what's your strategy to promote your songs?
Yeah, the thing is that sometimes most people see me as someone who is up and doing, but the thing is that we all have challenges. Yeah, and then Mama do wish and maybe really see like up to. Mama never expecting a follow shepulo, but in all, you need the resources to push it, and then as of now, the resources is not that much. Yeah, so yeah, we are just managing our to own limits to konanda. So then check out maybe like back you maybe 1 radio, 2 radio, and then the online and other things. But and again, my last strategy share like the kind of tracks I want to put out, man. It's like I'm still on the road. I'm working it out, and I've not gotten there yet. So right now, and then now pani relax me. Can't wait for me. We need to make you shall not expect on can population. So I just decided that let me just come out, whatever be the case. Well, we started the journey. So love you cannot put it in place. If God willing, on past station of one on Palma in the music level, man, then Ipan won't Karimbo West Ninja. So the music is not like I want to play. Look, we have artists that are of our age making waves with serious beats and other things. We can all equally make it because what they have, we also have it. The medium in which they have. Look, Tamale is a city. We have TV. We have all the medium. So we can also make it if we put in much effort in learning in everything about this music. We can also get there. So those are the processes I'm following. That's why when I drop this, sometimes I drop it and the song is okay for me. But I don't expect to come a vibe, man. Like we want to compare it to the likes of Nigeria have this young talented artists, Bella Shimuda, Terry, those Raymond, those kind of artists. Those are the kind of artists I want my songs to battle with. So that's why I just drop and then things like that.
You see, when I look at your songs, I like your visuals are very good visuals. Yeah. About video trauma, you take your time and shoot the visuals very well. But music, man, I'm bad response from our fans, man. Is it convincing?
Yeah, you see, it's convincing and not convincing, and I've understood it. It looks like in Tamale here, when you come out, they expect you to do what others are doing. Just the normal stuff. When you come out with something different, like they will welcome it, but like it will take a little time before they understand what you are doing. So I understood my music and I understand how I do it. So if I release a track and I don't get the response I expected, no, I don't feel relaxed. I just feel like that's the road. So it's just the usual thing. Some accept it and some are yet to accept it. So that's just the thing. It's not any big deal. That's just the system, you know. This is something new I'm doing, you know. It has to take them a little time before they understand what Karimbo West is doing. And besides that, if you look at my works, even though I'm not yet that satisfied with what I'm doing, but it's not bad. My music is not bad. If you listen, if you put earpiece, original earpiece, and listen to my music, you understand my music is not bad.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but that's just the beginning. Yeah, that's just the beginning. Yeah. Sure.
So will you still drop hip life tracks, or now you are just taking the Afrobeat tangent?
Yeah, you know, music, it comes with a spirit. Like when you listen to it comes with the vibe. Your spirit, when it vibes with the beats, you don't make the choice. The vibe and the spirit tells you this is the kind of music I'm doing. So I might decide to be an Afrobeat artist, and then one time I listen to a high life beat, and then the vibes comes. I just have to go to the studio and record a song. We don't make the choices. Maybe other artists do, but me, anytime I listen to a beat and I like it, the vibes come, and that's how a song comes from Karimbo West.
Wow. Karimbo West again.
Yes, again.
Your new tune, Loyal.
Loyal. I just want to be loyal. I just want to be faithful and loyal.
Do you have a girlfriend?
You know.
Fresh guy.
Yeah. This moment, yeah, I can't say I have, I can't say I don't have. But yeah, that's it.
But guys, so to your problem. Are you loyal to it?
You see, this song is from me, you know. So when I say loyal, it's not against me. You should rather ask me, is she loyal to me?
No, you are doing the song. You are doing the song. And I'm asking.
And the song,
and I want it from your perspective.
Well, I'm loyal. I'm a loyal guy, faithful, yeah. I'm loyal.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure about that. Everybody knows here, man. You know, you are in my house. You can ask the people around. Yeah? I don't come in with different girls. Yeah.
So, like, how did the vibe come in mind?
The vibe, yeah. If I listen to the song right now, even if you start to play me beats from your mouth, your mouth. Sorry. Sometimes you have to put some little accent to make it polish. Yeah. So if you make any beats, the vibe may just come. I can't just say, oh, tomorrow or after Loyal, I want to drop a song called this title. If I do that, I've challenged myself. And when I challenge myself, I don't really come out with the expected or the song I wanted. You know, if someone tells you, sing this kind of song, and you just go to the studio, oh, because they said I should sing this kind of Charlie, you go out of track.
But when it's from your own,
it just comes naturally. But if they tell you to, if I say, oh, Wes, I want to produce this kind of song, this title of a song, I won't just get up a day and say, okay, I'll just be going out track. But it will be in my mind. I know I'll be singing, so it will just be in my mind, though. But I will listen to other beats. And if it's about life, it will just come. But if I say I want to sing about life, and it will not come. So it just comes natural. When the vibes comes and I vibe around.
So, but do you write your songs? Because the way you are speaking is like when you go to the studio, you hear the instrumental, then you start picking it from there. Do you actually sit down to write?
I write my song way back 2014. That's when I began this music thing. People don't know I was there in the industry 2014. Yeah, man. I was there, but my English man is all up on. Sorry, sorry, my people. I just forgot.
Man.
So,
like, but
Sometimes if you understand, Nissa can me oh can some can yile. Kazan song, man, to dying a sorry yilla. Sometimes then to take a 1 month, 2 weeks, sometimes about a day can you answer song a day, but I could borrow maybe within a come out 1 week. So it didn't young can sable. Come on your melody man, sable can come back it lamna. Any lyrics man, your cabinet melody man. Cabinet melody man. I don't call the coil sub, but I'm melody man. So the best way when you're on phone, then you have to come down, call on phone recorder. So he didn't record on Canada has the took Palman zone. So he took like a and try. I'm Mamma Savra Dama, I don't waste a pen paper.
So I'm talking about the Loyal song itself, like Loyal man. Sasha, like at which particular period can I vibe my piano? Then you decided, okay, the wedding change, man, let me try doing something.
Loyal. Okay, Loyal, and I could mostly man research. Come on, Anto Kunigi. From 12 to done. Man doc be on YouTube and on the research about music. I want the Yilan. So into Kum and 2 women you shall beat. Ka big man sometimes Yilan to start to begin my kind of beat man name Mira. So don't talk about one come back the scanner. So in your studio, Mamba, Mosila, my other one and file. So Ballet going come now. Okay, the beat is good. So can start in my country studio. I don't know. Engineer, oh, big man teaser. I respect that guy. The guy he knows vibe. The know vibe pump. The chemistry day. So you could pion mammy. What were you me Yaramano? So buy me a beats man. Got go to studio to go record. So you get record part of the music and then lamda young don't can guma can banana nons and trottoir. So with Loyal Banda feature known artists so currently or vibe pump yeah can check over vibe. The guy is very good. So that artist man can die feature, but I share this man in time man. That beat too.
Okay, who is the artist?
Okay, it's not bad. No bolo you, but Fadlan can die feature. Yeah. So me time man that beat too. Understand? That my time she can ballet. Man go ballet fans cover. Bogulma. So near way to time man. So not any bad energy, mommy. Fala, yeah. To me don't that way about 2014, mommy. Like, yeah. So.
What message are you trying to convey in that song, Lawyer?
Lawyer is about boyfriend, girlfriend. Okay. So if it happens your boyfriend is not loyal, just when you are in the room alone, just play the song to him. Okay. You know, indirectly, the song will be talking to your boyfriend or girlfriend who is not loyal. So that's simple message I have to say about the song.
Who shot the video?
Oh, do I say Excellency? Brothers director, director Joe Gamel of TMP Studios. Yeah.
How many locations Kira Mali?
You see, any location man Changsha Malai. And you are Mila Simonton Katumale. Tamarong Balama. They don't want to Tamarot in India from the Latin Tenon the Mia Shankangwala. The Nimbani. Tamaraga Tamale. Locations ma. Nimama I will video, man being yellow, will video, man bound locations on at use ma.
West Island, you know, upcoming artists, in on the later, you drop the song and Kapushi. Is the industry giving you la needed attention share in the Burma? Like suppose you haven't tried enough, be kukane.
Come on, ula attention. Players might be.
Top song upcoming, the Biane Biro kukane.
Yeah, be like so come a choice or favorite. Yeah, but they are supportive. In some point they are neutral and they are supportive, you see. But in order to ginger them more to give you the massive support is to follow it up with what? The power, what do they call it? I mean the money.
Payola it for.
Payola, yeah. No, I don't want to call it payola, you see. It's their job. So sometimes you need to show some appreciation. I think they are good, they are pushing, but sometimes you need to just follow it up with some the cash for them to, yeah, they are doing good. I'm not against anybody in the industry. They are all doing good. Yeah.
So right now, the song you have dropped, come on, how many radio stations can target? Now not jungle like just to premiere it and at least.
Target now. I wish I could go through all the radio stations we have here in Tamale, but you know, one man job. You can't do that. So I'm just picking a few. Yeah. So definitely I'll be going through. You know, I've never drop and go for a radio interview, but this time around, I'm taking that step. So I'm going through all the radio stations. At that I can, to make people know that I've dropped a song called Lawyer. Yeah, so I'll be going through a few.
West.
Yep.
I just want to know today, what do you seek to gain from music?
Yeah, music comes with a lot of gains. You know, it comes with a lot of opportunities. But some don't know. All they think about is the money. You see, it shouldn't be all about the money. Kelly, music is a whole thing. Oh. Why do we call Makasio and Fansigaran kings? Who has king them? You see, who has king them as kings? So these are, if they call you a king, Kelly, you should know that you are someone. So music comes with a lot. I won't like to mention them, but as I just said, in bulk, music comes with a lot. Don't just think about the money aspect, and money comes with music comes with a lot. Yeah, and I know if I don't gain from the money aspect, there are other opportunities I may gain for. Like right now, you came to my house to interview me. If you are not into music, can you just go to any random person's house and yeah, so that's it. I don't have to say much about that. This is what I have to say about that.
Mostly artists do come out with EPs and albums. Are you having that plan? Because and next year I'm a la plan man. I was a putty EP na be album.
Yeah, you see, West Nation Karimo West Music. But yeah, I'm putting this to the public. If you think you can, if you have the interest of involving yourself into a music label, or West Nation is ready to welcome you. See, because this job we are doing, it entails a lot of manpower, like a lot of people in order to push where hands, yeah, a lot of support. I'm not really saying if you come here, I'm going to rely on you alone in your support. You know, also without, yeah, I'm always doing my thing. So if you come, we put hands in hands, yeah, we can push this to the next level. So, what were you saying again?
I was asking you whether you have a plan of coming up with an EP on an album.
Yeah. You say with an EP. Just recently, before I dropped this Lawyer, it was going to be part of an EP. Okay. But I was like, with the singles I've been dropping, was I able to, or am I able to push it to where I wanted them to reach? I said no. So let me just focus with what? in singles man. Because we singles man never to push in the work and EP now, which the yila kama yila bogo. So they know they always like yila no man no ko embara singles man. It's non karanya zama to pa understand me. Kasa aterma kapaterma ka fan sabo ko yena ko ja west do tuna nang le bin shon understand so in panto kana with EP ma ba ina sa ade ma kan kana with EP yan labla yila no ma ay record yila gang am ya shon kan ka artisan nya ati chai ban ba EP no ma ka ya no ya walo isan la yila no ma
EP ba ho
imi ka yila za inga record do
so does it mean that ban ba EP na sometimes they give pressure on other artists man, they make your fans feel like agba yemana
your fans man.
Like our fans, but pressure. Like our fans, man, do they give you pressure? Come on, like, oh West, this was not a tongue, but
no, but Jeremy, I feel I don't expectation. Kunya man bamba singles man. Ntumba good music for now. So now we am an EP. Because one man let me ka EP ma ka use. One artist yam ba EP na ka niro ta daily. Ka tamal ngo even ngong polo niro ko bar EP no ka bar gwele. So first ma bon moment boîte ni la ma toni channel ko yan ba me singles ma ka dira fan.
Yeah, that's nice. So lastly, I want you to speak to your fan base, man. I new tune is already out to be YouTube, and then audio mami was out to be audio mark. Yeah. So the any blog sites here so things just
yeah, right now unlimited la medium ma. Moi so kan parler. Jean le ba. So can limit to audio mark and then the Ghanatrice, the Ghanatrice. So audio mark YouTube and Ghanatrice.com. Ni man can limit abo yila man chang ni man tinyele. Yeah.
So video ma, will you go down south to premiere it? Because meaning definitely the answer on the channel TV stations, my show.
Yeah, now we should, but right now the resources to push me there is not enough. So yeah.
So everything is just being done by Karimbo West and Shaq come, you know, finance from the one
my team, my team, man kuna kutono the year, my team kawa, West Nation team, man, bugba supporter, be support by be like 60%, but bugba supporter in terms of finance and have a supporter here. Wow. Man, to my video, shama wood, and 7,000, 10,000, I chant to my video. Man, no male, 7,000, kaleng man, no broke. Don't party ma do chanson.
So video ma lara la ki kukuno pour comment ko make estimate.
Pour ma video kama 8,000 Ghana cedis.
Kuna ki to be director Joda. Kai. You see, that's one thing I always say to artists, man, they are doing their possible best. Like Northern region should not just be Nimbia Tabi Nimbia Nai. Let's look at
again with 8,000 it's not like the director my budget to au budget bien kana chepinye chanson den papa and pas model ma anya loro karachon den za to tima loro number understand so then my mental me shaka come ni look everything design sum up so yeah then
wow then anya some pound you see Karimbo West is one artist just go to YouTube and search Karimbo West and you see for yourself, because Mauna I've listened to Wave and that has been my all-time favorite, because Yilamanya is just an inspirational tune and comedy motivator because he's talking about life and loyal to his year. Another nice tune, so go and check it out. Our social media handles are not bad because mostly the mala atukuna active katukuna Fabiela Kalan Lab now.
Yeah man.
Karimbo West taking
yeah mami like shukuru biara understand kana chebinye shanga donc ko ncheka bia kuma chendide so Facebook Karimbo West YouTube appen you the benwa YouTube mine appen kam na YouTube ma le gba Karimbo West ma Instagram ati yon ati zari kadene demi ncheka ni be kantanga kato enjoy it benwa Instagram ya Karimbo West ka add one Karimbo West one. Yeah. Mostly
I don't drop our WhatsApp lines because right now that you are going to be going to the radio stations, so to borrow a number.
Yeah, WhatsApp is 024 324 0930. 024 324 0930. I want to vibe. Ben shaka my malaka one the palma. WhatsApp mala number man. Be ka call my cat to vibe. Free guy yo man. Like I'm just a humble guy, so you can approach me. Yeah.
Karimbo West, yeah, Charlie.
Raise my shoulders, you know. My shoulders are always down. Yeah, so you can vibe.
Wow. So Charlie, this guy is doing so well, I understand, because the one is in 8,000 my video. So it tells you that guys man try your pump. In terms of support, no one can support them. Always I say it. So then they can video and try and share. Let everybody appreciate our guys. They are doing so well. They're not easy. And then one thing shouldn't be the industry more happen. No matter come on, sometimes the bounce man and so at the end of the day, what the power on past station man, we then lay come on the in that of song. West, lava ma the biane, be come on, so you're the Munkunyale.
Remember, so come no biar on the boom so sham young, understanding. Maybe Bamboo your womb to Bama and disappointed like all us so come. Tibia town. Come on, Lima Sham, a gentle guy. I know the fumble. I cannot meet her. I don't think I can disappoint her. There's no way. We just always be loyal. That's why I came with the song Lawyer. Lawyer doesn't really relate to only a relationship. It applies in life. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, Uncle Nas on the freestands and take a cover lawyer. A capella.
Oh, la. Okay. Zanglan sung. Jama. Zanglan sung zanta ako. Baby, ako living yella wa DJ ka unkura no. You see these guys? Oh, Charlie man.
Just go and listen to the song. Yeah man. It's on audio mark. You can check it out on YouTube. Maybe Spotify, Amazon, as on the man.
No, but yeah, and I could
limit until la. So Nanti Ghana Trace, Angel, Mr. Zeri, Tika Ghana Trace coming yet. I'm me to career love. Yeah man. So my name is Rafsaja. He's Karimbo West. The first session of Celebrity Crib. I want you to go to the comment section and then give me artists who inborn on your next on Celebrity Crib. Let's meet him in his house. Let's vibe together. Karimbo West is his name. Go check him out. He's a very crazy talent.
That's the way.